Mixed up on the bench, a Swan linear. So I was kind of checking it out a little bit. We've got that part there. That's part of the high voltage input. We've got a high voltage wire that's been cut. We've got a missing end cap here for one of the two fuses. We've got something I don't like right there. That's pulled out of the grommet. So, not liking what I'm seeing so far. I was hoping for a repair. This looks like it might be another rebuild. So stay tuned. We're going to get the tins off of it and see what the hell we got to work with. Psychotech Labs signing off. Alright. Doesn't look too bad on the top. It's a little dirty. Gonna need to be cleaned up. The diodes look like they've been replaced. The capacitors, I'm gonna say, have been replaced. Those are some damn big expensive caps. I shined a light down through there and I didn't see where any of them are bulging or oozing or anything, so I think we're going to leave it alone. Just do the repair on the high voltage circuit as far as the wire, and then that there we're going to have to fix so it's not pulling out past the grommet. I'm using my Henry 1K now on my station, so that's my tube tester. So I don't really have a way to test these tubes, but they don't look smoked or anything. Basically, we're going to neutralize the high voltage stage, and we'll go ahead and run get everything hooked up. We'll run the variac and power these tubes up and see what the heck. So that's what's next on the bench. Stay tuned for more Psychotech Labs. Another exciting linear episode coming up. The Swan Project. Catch me later.